This factory rolls out thousands of golden, crispy potato chip packets every single hour. It all begins with fresh potatoes delivered directly from farms. Every potato is rigorously checked, and only those that meet the highest quality standards are chosen. Before a single slice is made, advanced machines scan each potato with precision. Each potato is carefully washed, removing every trace of dirt and impurity. Powerful rotating brushes scrub every surface, leaving each potato perfectly clean. Maintaining spotless cleanliness is key to ensuring both food safety and top quality. At this stage, the potatoes are carefully prepared, primed for the slicing process. Next, high-speed machines effortlessly peel the potatoes, revealing their smooth, ready-to-slice interior. Once peeled, the potatoes are rapidly transported to the slicing stage, ready for transformation. With surgical accuracy, each potato is sliced into perfect, uniform pieces. Each slice's consistent thickness ensures flawless, even cooking. The potato slices are gently rinsed, washing away excess starch for a crispier finish. This crucial step keeps each chip separate, ensuring they fry to golden perfection without sticking together. Next, the pivotal step begins, turning raw slices into perfectly crispy chips through frying. The oil is carefully heated to the perfect temperature, ensuring every chip fries to golden perfection. Frying draws out moisture, transforming each slice into a delightfully crisp masterpiece. Every moment is carefully monitored, ensuring each chip reaches golden perfection without burning. In just minutes, raw potato slices are transformed into golden, irresistibly crispy chips. Excess oil is carefully drained, leaving each chip with a perfect, crisp texture and rich flavor. The chips are gently cooled, preparing them for the perfect burst of seasoning. Cooling ensures each chip maintains its perfect texture and consistent quality. Seasoning transforms the chips, giving them their unmistakable signature flavor. Every flavor is precisely measured and evenly dusted, ensuring each chip tastes perfect. As the chips tumble, seasoning spreads perfectly, covering each slice uniformly. Each chip is crafted to deliver the same perfect flavor every single time. Advanced machines fine-tune seasoning in real time, ensuring every chip is perfectly flavored. Only products meeting our exact seasoning standards proceed to packaging. Every product undergoes strict quality control, guaranteeing unmatched safety and reliability. Any chips that fail to meet our standards are immediately removed from production. Human inspections provide an added layer of safety, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Each batch undergoes thorough testing before it reaches the packaging stage. The final stage of production is packaging, where every product is carefully prepared for delivery. Each packet is filled with a precise amount of chips, ensuring consistency and perfection. Nitrogen gas preserves freshness and protects the chips from breakage, keeping every bite perfect. Each packet is carefully sealed to lock in freshness and preserve quality. Dates and batch numbers are automatically printed, ensuring accurate tracking and quality control. The chips are now ready for distribution, bringing fresh, crispy perfection to customers everywhere. Robots handle the packaging with precision and efficiency, ensuring every product is perfectly packed. Millions of packets leave this factory every year, delivering fresh, crispy goodness to countless customers. From the factory to store shelves, the journey of every packet continues, delivering freshness to customers everywhere. What may seem simple is actually the result of a complex and precise process. Every step of the process is meticulously controlled to guarantee perfect results. Modern technology enables large-scale production, delivering quality and efficiency like never before. Quality and consistency remain our highest priorities, guiding every step of production. This is the journey behind every bite of your favorite snack.